Hello, how you doing? Hope you're keeping well. Today we're going to make this pasta. It's very simple. Tomatoes, onions, garlics, goat's cheese, fresh basil. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we've got here is 2 cups of sliced onions, a tablespoon of garlic, a cup of fresh basil, goat's cheese. Now that's about 70 grams just there. A teaspoon or so of dried oregano or oregano, 1 can of regular size tomatoes. That was a plum tomato and I've just crushed that up roughly with my hand. And then the pasta is up to you what you want to use. I'm using farfalle today. Get your pasta cooked. We're really going to concentrate on the sauce. Salt, pepper, olive oil. Let's go. Okay, so you're going to need a frying pan, skillet or something. I use this kind of woky thing so you guys can see what's happening. I've got olive oil in there, 3 tablespoons. We're going to drop in that onion. The heat, I've just put that on. We're going to add that tablespoon of garlic. Salt. Don't go crazy with salt because the cheese is quite salty. Black pepper, as much as you like. So I'm on an above medium heat and we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Fabulous. Very simply, 1 can of tomatoes, which is a 400 ml. I mean, you kind of know what I mean, don't you? The kind of regular size can. I'm going to drop in that little bit of oregano or oregano. Now we're going to go for 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to be stirring it fairly often. Okay, beautiful. Next up, we're going to get our goat's cheese in. I've just chopped it up. It's in a kind of block. So it's not massive amounts, but you don't need loads because of the strength of this cheese. Like I said, it's about 70 grams there. And we're just going to work it in just for a couple of minutes. I'll be back then. So it's just melting in as we're doing that. We're now going to grab a pasta of choice and get that in. Like I say, I'm going for farfalle today. Spaghetti, penne, rigatoni, anything works. Tagliatelle, go for what you want. Now I've got about 3 or 4 cups worth of pasta there. We're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Just working the sauce onto the pasta. I mean, my pasta is actually cold. It was cooked earlier. So I need to heat it up. So it's going to take me a few minutes. I'm going to turn the heat up. Okay, so absolutely beautiful. One more thing, some fresh basil or basil. And I don't cut it or anything. I just put the leaves in, just whole. Off goes the heat. Stir that in. Job's a good one. Okay, and that is as simple as can be, and it really is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love.